Hi, this is your science instructional video for Monday, December 14th. Today you'll be learning about Introduction to Speed. This lesson will show you how we use the measurements of distance and time to calculate an object's speed. Please watch this video and also click on the Google slide to read and complete them. So this is the video that you need to watch on how to calculate speed to give you a better understanding of calculations. As we click here on this slide, if you click this image, you will watch a video about speed. TEAC 6.8c means calculate average speed using distance and time measurements. The video on the first slide compared how fast objects move. The distance an object moves in a given amount of time determines its speed, but how do we determine how fast an object is moving? By measuring the distance an object travels and the time that it takes the object to travel that far, we can calculate the speed. The formula for calculating speed is speed equals distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. Speed is measured in units of meters per second or kilometers per hour, and sometimes miles per hour. Let's try to calculate the speed of an object. An airplane travels 600 kilometers in 2.5 hours. What is the speed of the plane? So your distance is 600 kilometers and time is 2.5 hours. So when you enter it in the calculator, you will enter distance first divided by time, and that would give you 240 kilometers per hour. Speed. The distance that an object travels and the time that it takes the object to travel that far tells us the speed. In the same amount of time, a faster object will move farther than a slower moving object would. Average speed. The speed of an object is rarely constant. For example, the hare in the famous race in the storybook traveled quickly at the start of the race and then got tired. Average speed is the way to calculate the speed of an object that isn't always moving at a constant speed. Instead of the speed at an exact moment, average speed describes the overall speed over a stretch of time. Graphing speed. We can represent the speed of objects with a graph. A distance time graph will show the distance that an object travels along the y-axis and the time that it takes the object to travel that far along the x-axis. Where the coordinates intersect represents the speed. We will learn that a straight line on this graph shows constant speed. TEAC 6.8c, calculate average speed using distance and time measurements. Speed practice problems. Watch the video on the left to learn how to use the formula triangle to help you calculate speed. Use the speed triangle to determine the variables given and solve for the unknown on the next slides. Don't forget to write your answers with the correct units. Example, Robert can run the 100-meter dash in 10 minutes. What is the speed? So you're going to plug this in and you're going to divide them to get your speed. You would do the same thing with slide 7, slide 8, slide 9, and on slide 10. Now you try and show your work and type in your answers in these boxes. Okay, guys, well, that is your instructional video for today. Thank you.